जानते हैं भारत के सुपर फाउंडर से।
Wow.
Can you take your phone?
I don't
Sir,
have
you
a
can
phone.
sit like that one. You can just sit. Sir.
How do you know that's my phone? It could be my wife's phone.
I'll just show you a demo.
Demo means you're not a magician or something.
No, it's not.
you won't.
It's not like that. You can just open your phone, sir. You'll get it.
So you downloaded it also? Huh?
No, it's not downloaded.
Eh?
It works on NFC.
ये पैसा नहीं खींचेगा ना?
Only English.
Only Hindi. Where are you from, yeah?
Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
Good luck.
Thank you.
ग्यारह साल की उम्र में आप क्या कर रहे थे सर?
मैं हूँ
एक मिनट
भारत के सुपर फाउंडर है.
एक
I'm building from Bharat to the world.
सर देखा पहली बार कोई आपकी भी बात नहीं सुन रहा. फर्स्ट टाइम इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया. आरती आप क्या कर रही थी 11 साल की उम्र में?
मैं दूध नहीं पीने की जिद कर रही थी. तो बहुत ही सैड फील हो रहा है आज.
सुनील सर आप मुझे भी पूछ लीजिए, मेरा आंसर रेडी है.
सर आप तो 16 में पैसे बनाना चालू किए थे, तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि आप 11 साल के एज में फुल टाइम गेमिंग चालू था आपका.
गेमिंग कंपनी चालू करने का ख्वाब
प्लान
रख रहा
था? क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Dear tycoons, it already seems that you have my contact info right now. Pretty fast, right?
Yeah.
मेरे नाम अत्विक, founder of Zozo Connect. And yes, I know what you're thinking right now. 11 साल का बच्चा, startup का founder. But dear tycoons, Gen Alpha kids are built for business and born for disruption. We represent the future of Bharat. My mom and dad who are sitting right there are also entrepreneurs. I used to go to startup events with them and I noticed something. Everyone is sharing their contacts with visiting cards everywhere. The cards were at floors, at tables, at cafeterias, even in trash bins. I felt bad for Mother Nature. And I thought, is this 2025 or 1995? That doesn't have technology. Zozo makes NFC cards. NFC matlab near field communication cards. This is no paper, no printing and no waste. Just one tap, instant connection. Our card is so eco-friendly and very cool. Even Sunil Shetty sir was surprised, right?
Yeah.
Everyone gets surprised and gets it cool and is approved by the future generation. My vision is to make a Zozo universe, a complete Zozo ecosystem, a smart ID that lets you store and share contacts, make payments, enter events, and becomes your digitally verified smart identity. So are you all ready to partner up with me and invest in the future of smart networking and the future of Bharat? My ask is 2 crores at a 25 crore valuation.
First of all, for
Thank you,
Amazing.
sir.
your energy और कैसे यार छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका.
Yes, sir. And before we go to any questions, I have a gift for you. One small thing.
ओके थैंक यू.
वो वेरी नाइस है. एक मेरा एडवाइस है,
Thanks.
हिंदी सीख लो.
Definitely.
Coming from Tamil Nadu, lack of Hindi should not limit your world.
बट सर उसकी ड्रीम्स ग्लोबल है, वो तो जापानीज और कोरियन भी सीखेगा.
So Atvik, I'm very happy to see you here. I want to share my story with you. My father bought me a gaming computer games device when I was 5 years old. And I started making games when I was 7 years old.
Wow, sir.
Started my company when I was 15, 16 years old. And it eventually, after 25 years of work, went on to be India's first listed gaming company. So starting young is a big advantage.
Yes.
If anybody had any doubt in India's future, today they will have, seeing you, they will have no doubt. Yeah, you are Bharat's future. एक बात बताइए, आप अभी छोटे हैं, आप स्कूल जाते हैं?
Yes, I'm going to school.
How do you maintain school and work-life balance?
So one thing I learned very young is that how to manage my time, how to like keep a schedule and follow that. And one more key thing is that I'm a topper in school, so I study very fast and learn very fast. So I do it in 60 minutes, work and then play, do anything. I'll be a normal child.
We are all still trying to
Figure out work-life balance.
we are still trying to learn.
Are you selling? Do you have any revenue numbers?
Yes, sir. We have sold to 500 customers till date.
In your product, one thing that is very important is this a novelty product or this is a daily use habit forming product? People who are buying this, are they actually using it every day?
Yes, sir. One thing is we are not focusing on the entire card sales because that is transactional. The card they'll pay and that's it. They won't get too many features, they'll get the essential ones. But we have a subscription model entirely.
How much do you charge for subscription?
So it's about 99 to 599 rupees. The 599 and all are Pro and Pro Plus, and the before 99 are the Pros.
I have a son who is 11 years old. So I'm very, very impressed at what you are doing at the age at what you are doing. But considering this is a business show, there are startups, international startups also, जो हर जगह मिलती हैं. Unicode हो गई, Hi Hello, Blink,
Yes,
Credo.
sir. They only stay at the card. We focus on after the tap where the real connection is there. So people come for the connection, not the fancy or that.
You are saying the journey starts once you get the contact. But that CRM integration, Salesforce integration, many startups are doing.
Everyone does CRM integration, but what they just do that. What we do is we separate them into hot and cold leads. AI agent will focus on the hot leads and will automatically do all the follow-ups, all the emails, whatever you want. It searches who they are they relevant to you, and how should you follow up, and when should I follow up. It tells all of these, and nobody is having this.
A lot of people are very apprehensive when you want to tap something on their card. You know, like क्योंकि क्रेडिट कार्ड से भी टैप हो सकता है, पैसे निकल भी सकते हैं, इतना फ्रॉड का जमाना है. Did you understand the problem?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
After a conversation only, the contact is getting exchanged, whether it is paper card, digital card, whatever it is.
How do you ensure the security of the data? Because today the biggest breach lies with the data security.
We are from the background of cloud, so we know how to secure cyber security aspect, and in terms of to ensuring the highest international standards, we are doing SOC 2 certification for the platform. In case if the card has been lost, you can have the option in the app to block it immediately.
Last एक साल में आपने कितना revenue किया?
3 lakhs is what revenue has been done, but last 2 weeks before only we have incorporated the company and we are kickstarting this.